I stand at the heart of Mumbai, a city that breathes ambition and exhales success. Here, amidst the towering skyline and bustling streets, lies the beating pulse of India's financial prowess. It's a place where dreams take flight and fortunes are carved from sheer determination. In this dynamic metropolis, the stock market thrives, currencies fluctuate, and business minds converge to shape the future of commerce. From the boardrooms of the financial district to the offices of successful entrepreneurs, Mumbai is a melting pot of opportunity and innovation. As the financial capital of India, Mumbai offers a gateway to the global business arena. It's a city that beckons aspiring professionals to step into the world of finance, management, and entrepreneurship. The possibilities here are as vast as the ocean, waiting to be explored and conquered. Our MBA in Finance program is your ticket to mastering the art of financial leadership in this vibrant ecosystem. Designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in the fast-paced world of business, this program is your key to unlocking a future filled with growth and prosperity. Join the elite league of financial leaders. Enroll in our MBA in Finance program today and pave the way for a successful career in the world of business. Your journey to financial success begins now. Shape your future, shape the world. Contact us today to embark on this transformative journey. Let's build a future where financial growth knows no bounds.